The next loop inside our Python loops is a for loop. For loop are used in sequence, which means that for loop are used to iterate the value in a sequence. The for loop can work with sequence like string, list, tuple and range. So now let's see the syntax of for loop. So for var in sequence. After that I'll print the value of var, or we can say here a statement sta. So here we have a statements. So here we have a for variable is anything which is x, y, z, anything, and in sequence. So here we have a sequence, any sequence like string, tuple, list and range. So when the for loop is executed, so the first variable from this sequence, or we can say the first value from this sequence, is assigned to this variable x, y, z, anything. After that it will goes to inside our loop. So now let's take a simple example to understand a for loop. So here we have a variable which is equal to str, which is a string, and now I'm going to apply a for loop for x in str. It will print the value of x. So here we have a x which is equal to variable and str is a sequence. Inside our sequence we have a string which is equal to hello. So when a for loop is executed, the first element from this string is assigned to this variable x, and this x is printed out. So now let's run this module. We get the result which is equal to HELLO. So as I said that the first element is assigned to this variable x, and then it will print the value of x. After that it will goes to again from the second element e, then e is assigned to this variable x, then it will print the value of e. So when it will goes to the last element from this str, which is equal to o, so this o is assigned to this variable x, and after that it will print the value of x, which is equal to o. And after that when the loop is completed, it will go outside the body. So now when I write something here, print hey, I am outside the body. I run this module. So here we get the result, here I am outside the body, which means that when the loop is goes to the o, which is the last element from the str variable, then it will break the loop because the loop is completed, and it will goes to the next line, which is a print statement. So now let's take another example by using a range function. So here I just write x equal to 10. After that I'll apply for loop for y in range x. It will print the value of y. So here it will take the range which is equal to 10. So here it will start from 0 and print until 9. So here 0 to 9. So that's all about a for loop inside our Python loops.